Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn about how to dockerize the simple React application and build the Docker image for that application and push that Docker image to the Docker hub with the help of Travis. We will let Travis take care of all these things. We will not do anything manually, so let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is that you have to fork this repository and clone this repository to your local machine. I will be giving the link of this repository in the description below. You can find there the link of this repository. And next thing is that you have to activate the Travis in this Travis for this repository, so which I have already done. You can go and check out my previous video about setting up the Git repository with Travis. If you haven't seen that video, so go please check it out, or I will keep that link of that video in the description as well, so it will be easier for you. And next is that you should have an email you should have an Docker Hub account for pushing the image to the Docker Hub. So let's get started. So first of all, I will clone this repository. I will copy this. I will make a directory mkdir tutes cd tutes, and I will git clone. It will take a few seconds. So yes, the repository has been cloned. So change directly to that repository. Then yes, you have to activate the repository with the Travis. Mm, then let's check the files in the repository. So for that I will use Sublime. You can use any text editor or anything, VS Code or anything would be perfect. So this is our repository. So main files in this repository for deploying deploying with the Travis is that, and this file Travis CI. So wait, we have to check out to the git check out. Let's check out. We have now master branch, so we have to check out to the Docker Hub branch. So we are in Docker Hub branch, right? So the main file is this file in which we are using. This is a .travis.yml file. In this file is the build configuration file, which whatever you have written in this file, Travis will run the tasks serially on the basis of the order. So yes, this is the task. So what we have done is that in this repository we have created a simple React application, and we have created Docker file. In this Docker file, what we have done is that we have taken a image and name it as a builder, and this is a multi-stage Docker file. and we have created a working directory, and we have copied all these files, located in a current directory to slash app directory of that docker docker image. And we have run npm install. We have installed all the dependencies, and we have run npm build. We have created the build file, optimum build file for the production. Then we have taken another nginx alpine image, and we have copied slash app slash build from this image as a builder, which we have named from this folder to slash var slash www. This is the default location for nginx, where it's hosted its file. Nginx is a web server, and we have copied the nginx.conf to slash etc slash nginx slash nginx.conf. This is an nginx.conf is an custom nginx.conf file that we have created. You can use this file for your personal for your custom nginx configurations. So this is it. And another is this docker push bash script. In this script, what we have done is that we have just echoed docker passport, and given to add to our docker login command, and we have tagged the docker image and to slash abusan slash react example dot latest, and we have pushed that image. So let me change the name. Devops tudes dot latest. So let me change here, Devops tudes. Yes, let me save this file, and docker file is here. And yes, docker file, from this docker file we will build an image, and is an nginx conf file. This is a conf file for an nginx. And here is, now we have to learn about this travis.yml. So in this, what we can see in this file is that we have selected a language named node.js, because our application is in node.js language. We have selected the version of the node.js of this. This is the version of the node.js language, and we have selected service, and the service is called docker. For using docker, you have to select the service. And before install you can call it script as well. There's no big deal. Script. And in this script, we are just doing, we are building the docker image from the docker file, docker build hyphen t react example dot latest, and current directory means it will source the docker file. It will source this docker file. And build an image name react example slash latest. And docker images just list the docker images that are built. And in the deploy stage, what we have done is that we have given a provider, and provider is a script. And in the script, we have just run the bash script that I have mentioned below, just 2 minutes ago, and that the docker push is a name of a bash script. So here is a docker push image. In the docker push image, we have authenticated with the docker username and docker password for our docker hub, and we have tagged the docker image. Which was built is that the react example slash latest. We have tagged that docker image. To slash abusan slash devops dot latest. This abusan should be the name here. I have given my name because this is a username of my docker hub. So you should give your username of your docker hub. And we have pushed this tagged image to the docker hub. So that's it. And we have done this in docker hub branch. So let me save this, and docker file is here, from which we are building a docker image, and travis.yml is the build configuration for Travis. Whenever the repository is there is certain change in the repository, all the build configuration are here. So Travis execute its test cases according to this file .travis.yml, and for a deployment we have using the script named bash script, named docker push, and that is in a branch, docker hub branch, and we can, in a script you can look at here, we had just authenticate with the docker hub, and we are tagging the image that we have built, and then we are pushing that image. And for the this one thing I have to say for you guys is that for docker passport and docker username, you have to pass this variable, as an environment variable. So you have to go to the Travis, and go to that repository in which you have activated Travis. So go to the settings, and in the environment variable section you can add here docker username. For all branches, add like this. You can add docker username and docker passport, so that it will get an value from the Travis. So let me show you demo. So I am in this branch. So let me create something, anything. Let me change a bit. I have changed a bit of code in this uh, repo. So I have modified .travis.yml, and I have modified docker push.yml. So I will git add, git push, no, git commit -m modified dot travis dot yml and bash script. Now I will git push origin docker hub is my branch. So I will push this. So when I push that, in the Travis, build will be executed. Yes, it is executed on 39 build. So in a docker hub, let me show you, there is no any image named Devops dudes. So after the completion of the Travis, after the job completion of Travis, it will there will be presence of a Devops dudes name docker image. So Travis is running its test cases and builds. So you can see all the logs that which has been happening from here. So it is building the image from a docker file, and like it name given was is react hyphen example, and the tag is latest. And yes, working directory is made, copying, dependency has been installed, and the optimized build has been created, is creating, I guess. Yes, optimized build has been created, and second nginx image has been pulled. So the image, so it has pushed the image named docker Devops tudes in the Docker hub successfully. So refresh here. So you can see that Devops tudes image has been pushed. Yeah, this is how you can push the image to the Docker hub from Travis. So we do not need to do anything manually. All the things has been taken care by Travis. So now if I want to run this image by pulling and locally, so let me try. um, Docker run hyphen d, and name of the image was abusan slash dev ops tudes, tag was latest. By default it will take a latest tag, and I will give a port, and port will be 8080 of the host machine and 80 of the Docker, and mm, let me run this Docker. So it didn't find the image locally, so it will go to the Docker hub and pull the image. The pulling is complete, so you can find. Now check Docker ps, then one container is running now. You can see, and it is just activated, created 6 seconds ago, and status is up for 5 seconds only, and it is running on the port 8080. So let me check on the port. Localhost 8080. So yeah, my React application is running successfully, and it has been built and built in a Docker image, and Docker image has been pushed in a Docker hub, and we have used that image to create to run this application successfully with Travis CI, and the build also has been successful. If the build is successful, you will get this green signal, and the email will also be sent to your email address. This is a good features of Travis CI. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was useful, and I will also share the article related to this video in the description. So hope you so don't forget to check out that article, and hope you guys like this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for much more content about continuous integration and continuous deployment. And sorry for my English is not so good. I thank you.